Hey people, welcome to Apodels Multimedia. This is Apia Mensa of Apodels Multimedia, bringing you a lot more for you to know. Well, for the time being, in the past, we have had video recordings, basically focused on the deaf ones, the hearing impaired in Ghana. The reason is that we want them to be updated the current pandemic, the COVID-19, which is really going on in Ghana and in other parts of the world. We have in view that a lot of the information that the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, puts in place would have to be broken down for the better understanding of the deaf ones. Someone would say that, of course, there are interpreters who really interpret for the deaf ones when the President is really giving his addresses. But why do you still want to move forward to interpret for the deaf ones once again? Of course, sign language, like any other language, is dynamic. And when you go to any other region or cities in the country, they have a specific ways of signing and trying to understand certain things in certain ways. So therefore, I felt that it will be very, very important, in as much as the interpreters who have been called by the President to interpret his speeches to the nation are doing well. Of course, they are doing very well. But like I said, there's some regions and areas we want to understand from their perspective how things are broken down. And like the addresses that are given, that is the press conference that is given through the Minister of Information, you see that it's a kind of the same way that the address that was given through the President to the nation is broken down to the understanding, better comprehension of the deaf ones. So I want to say that to those my fellow colleague interpreters who do interpret for the deaf ones, that is Clement Sam and the lady whom, of course, I don't know her name, are doing well, very, very well, effectively, to help the deafs understand the information that really is being passed on to us by the President. So I want to say that they are doing well. But in the time being, we want to tell you that Apodels Multimedia is not only focused on bringing to you information for the deaf ones. It has a lot of things that we have in place that we are preparing for you to be able to update you on more things. And we are sure that doing so, you will be updated also. And we want to encourage that you subscribe, you like, and then you share our videos. And you help us be able to be on top there. Well, thank you very much for joining us on this live streaming of our program. Remember, it's live, a very live streaming of the very first live streaming of this multimedia broadcast. And we are happy that you are here. And we want to say a very big thank you to you for coming. You may want to send some messages and comments that you think you have for us, and we'll be sure to take them in and then be able to work on them, and then for the improvement of this very multimedia. Sorry, I'm typing. Yeah, to my dear ones who probably would want to join in and bring out some suggestions. Well, Apodels Multimedia is located in Takwa. It's located in Takwa, and we have a lot of purposes there online. But one of the purposes that we want to serve is to the deafs. Yeah, it's one of them. It become very important for us to aha. We are sharing some of our videos to bring in more people. Your suggestions are welcomed, of course. So we'll be waiting for your suggestions to be able to work on them. Okay. We are waiting for you, all our participants, to be able to come on board so that we update you on more information. Welcome. We will welcome any of your suggestions on this very channel. That would help us to be able to give more updated information that would be able to help you. Of course, we have a lot of things in stock, but your ideas will be welcomed on this channel. Very important. Yeah, let me see you are in. You can send your comments